Yes, students, did you go with the earlier section? Right, we are continuing with the sections. The section 1, early societies. In that we are continuing with the early societies, which is given the introduction. You know the book very well, right? Page number 2 and 3. So first you understand the basic concepts, page number 2 and 3, and early societies. Right? In these early societies, what we have discussed, we are going further, right? In this you try to understand how were the earlier life, right? They were nomadic and they used to go for migration, right? From one place to another place for better agriculture or for better life, right? Nowadays you are settled in your houses which are made up of bricks, cement, but in the olden days houses were different, right? So you want to compare how was the life and what is the life today. So this assignments will be given to you. Now you understand the concept of this early societies, right? Yeah, yesterday I told you you must able to know the map of Africa and Asia, right? Again we will give you this. Now when you talk of the West Asia, right, the wheat and barley and the peas, wheat, barley and the peas, they were common, right? In the olden days we are talking of, right? And when you coming to the Southeast Asia, so there were millet and the rice. These crops were grown and these were seen. Now Africa was very much famous for the millet. Now do not forget, Africa was the place where civilization started takes place, where people we find first, right? So when you see in the book, you going to see. Now domesticated animals, that means what are the domestic animals in the earlier days we have, right? You can see we used to have dogs, right? But they, apart from that, they were sheep, goat, pig and donkey, right? So goat, pig and donkey not from today, from last time, and slowly they were very common for development of the plants, right? Especially cotton. Cotton was very much famous one. From the cotton only we are getting all the clothes, right? Then further tools were polished. So when the earth become more popularity, earthen pots were made, and pots were from the small to the big, right? I am going to show you some of the comparison of the food. So the pots were made only for the store of the grains, and slowly they tried to cook varieties of the food. So foods were made. Nowadays you are going with the fast food, right? You need to compare how were the olden days food and today's food. So that comparison must be given as I give you. And metals, there are types of metal varieties, and the metal were common were copper and tin. Copper is Cu, right? You must know. And when you go with further, right, migration, you will see one video. I'm going to give you one video. You see how is the life of the Himalaya, or the people who are staying in the mountain area and the people who are staying in an isolated area, right? Now students, when we are talking further related, I want to show you these are the pots nowadays we are using when we compare with the earth. So this is the pot what we are using today. Maybe in the micro oven we can use it or for storing, and this is a frying pan, right? And at the back side you can see this this inside will be, when it is blackish in color, it is totally copper inside, right? So it will not burn. Now these are using nowadays, and when we are talking nowadays, these are the common things, right? This metal, right? This is common we are using, but in the olden they were using copper and tin. Now related the food, when we are talking of the food, nowadays we are getting packed food which you can keep it for 1 year. In the olden days it was not possible, right? When you go further into the chapter, you are going to compare. So these are the, see, this is a jam, right? It can be stored for 12 months. So everything will be written on the top, manufacturing date, and this is nowadays, this is just I brought one packet of the dates. This is also, you can use it for the 6 months, right? Once you open, and after opening also, sealed pack will be there. Again we will close it. But what we want to say is that everything is now coming as a pack. In earlier days we cannot keep it for the long. Now you are having fridge, refrigerator, you are keeping all the things. Same with the, right, they have only 2 days life, we have to finish with it, but these are packet, these are things. Now I want to ask you, when you go further, right, what do you mean by this term? Then packed will be coming, there will be juice packet and milk packet, one word will come, Tetra Pak. What is? And I want to tell you the second thing, how your food is compared with the ancient, right? When you are talking of ancient, right, old days, how it is compared. So you must see the food habit, you must learn the map, everything you must be getting ready. And just I have mentioned over here, Africa has 52 countries, Asia has 48 countries. Everyone should know the directions and everyone should ready to read. I am going to give you some notes in the next session. Till that time, I want to say thanks. Take care.